Lord have mercy. It is cold outside. Y'all, when I tell you that Toronto is cold, it's cold. I just can't. Hey guys, it's me, babyvioletprincess, and I am back. Oh, I can't go all the way around. Okay. Okay. Hey, I'm back with another video. How are you guys doing? You guys okay? Everything's good, cool and Gucci. We're like what, 3 weeks into the new year? Everything's cool. Today's video is going to be another hair tutorial, right? I'm just spitting them out. It's just gonna be another hair tutorial. My girl Noor. My girl Noor from work, hey Noor, she gave me this spray to try. This is the Deva Curl Mr. Right Dream Curl Refresher, to refresh and extend. It's a spray. She gave me this to try out because it didn't really work well on her hair. She said it made her hair feel crunchy. Now, I personally don't like my hair to feel crunchy, but I was like, you know what, let me just try it. Maybe it'll work somewhere into my regimen. I'm just gonna do a twist out. I'm gonna twist up my hair, and then the next day I'm gonna show you guys what my results were. If you guys are interested in seeing me try this Deva Curl Mr. Right, I like how they have that play on word, look at that. Let me. Mr. So like Mr. but Mr. I found it to be so cool. I was like, yes, okay. Nice play on words, Mr. Right. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with a 4-day-old twist out. 3 or 4 day old. 3 or 4. Put up into a high puff for about 3 days. So I'm just gonna take this down. So took my hair down. I haven't worn my hair in a fro in so long, and I just love how this looks. I'm kind of just like, I don't want to do my hair anymore. I just want to leave it as like this. Like I can rock my fro. Beautiful. Oh, I really don't want to do my hair now because my hair looks so fabulous. I love it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm just going to section my hair. I always start at the back, so I'm just going to start at the back, just section off my hair, and then I'm going to start my twisting process. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like. It is twisted. It feels very moisturized. I like how it feels so far right now. So I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to go to bed, and then I'll come back in the morning to do the takedown with you guys. thoughts on how my hair feels. It doesn't feel as crunchy as my girl Noor had said. I feel like it's because I used my cream. So my almond J butter from twisting butter from Camille Rose, which is really moisturizing. So I think that kind of like helped in not making it so crunchy. But there are like certain parts that I feel are a little bit hard. These pieces in the front here, they feel a bit hard. I'm just going to fluff this out. I'm going to put a little bit of volume in this bad boy and then I'll be right back. Okay, so final thoughts. Will I recommend this to my 4C girls? Probably not. When I was separating my twists, I definitely felt that, like, I felt like a filmy, like I don't know how to explain it, but it was just like a feeling on my hands that I have that it feels like drying. It doesn't feel really soft like how when I just use like my Kiwi Dew or when I use water and an oil and cream. It doesn't feel as soft as that. So if you like your hair to be like really fluffy, really soft, soft to the touch, then I don't think this product is for you. Like it says, it is a curl refresher, so I'm pretty sure it has some kind of holding ingredient inside that would make your hair hold or have your curls pop, 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 or your curls to be really, you know, curly, curly, curly. So I don't think it's for a 4C girl. If you have maybe like a looser hair texture like 4A, maybe 3C, 3B, maybe this product is for you. But I just don't like the feeling that I have in my hair, and I actually just don't like this twist out right now. So I'm going to do a high puff tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my high puffs, then click the card. But apart from that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I love you guys so much. Have a good day. Bye!